In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sitemap in Screaming Frog. A sitemap is a simple XML file that lists the important URLs on your site so search engines can discover and understand your content efficiently. Screaming Frog makes generating a clean, accurate sitemap straightforward, and I'll walk you through each choice so you know exactly what you're exporting. Start by launching Screaming Frog on your device. Once it opens, look for the address bar at the top, enter your website's URL, and hit Start. The crawler will begin scanning your pages. Give it time to reach 100% so the sitemap includes everything Screaming Frog has found. If your site is large, expect this to take a bit. You can let it run in the background and you'll see progress in the status bar. When the crawl is complete, go to the top menu and choose Sitemaps, then XML Sitemap. A configuration window will appear with several tabs. This is where you fine-tune what gets included. Begin in the Pages tab. Here you can set the sitemap to include only URLs that return a 200 OK status, which ensures you don't publish broken or redirected links. It's also a good idea to check the boxes to exclude noindex pages, canonicalized URLs, and paginated URLs. Excluding noindex respects your site's directives, excluding canonicalized URLs helps you avoid duplicates, and excluding paginated URLs keeps the file focused on primary content rather than navigation pages. Next, open the last modified tab. Choose whether to include a timestamp for each URL. Selecting Use Server Response is usually best because it pulls the last modified date directly from your server headers, delivering the most accurate signal to search engines. If your server doesn't provide this, you can still include a date, but accuracy is the priority. Move to Priority and change frequency. While major search engines largely ignore these hints today, you can still set them. Either leave them at defaults, assign values manually, or let Screaming Frog calculate them based on crawl depth. If you're unsure, conservative defaults are perfectly fine. If your site relies on rich media or international versions, check the Images, Mobile, and hreflang tabs. Include image tags when visual content is critical, add mobile tags if you maintain separate mobile URLs, and configure hreflang for multilingual or multi-regional pages so the correct language version appears in the right market. When you're satisfied, click Export. Choose a location on your computer, give the file a clear name like sitemap.xml, and click Save. That's it. Your sitemap is ready to use and share with search engines as part of your site's technical SEO toolkit.